Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 7, week 1, day 3 of our KAM blueprints. The story for the week, That Toad is Mine. Theme concept, characters find unique ways to solve problems. Strategy, summarize. Remember, to summarize is to say what happens in a story in fewer words and also explain what happens in the beginning, middle, and end of the story. Skill, problem solving. Okay, let's go ahead and start with our stretchers. First word is going to be grab. G-R-A-B. Grab. Good one. Next word, night. Stretch it out. And word. Next word, have. And word. Next word, trip. And word. Good job. Okay, I think you guys are doing such a great job with your letter names. We are going to go all the way to our irregular word review. Okay, so again, I'm going to say, spell, and then say the word again, and then it will be your turn to say, spell, and say the word. My turn, word again. Ooh, let's do it robot style. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Your turn. Word. Spell again. Word. Good job. My turn, word, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Your turn, word. Spell forest. And word. My turn, word, near. N-E-A-R. Near. Your turn, word. Spell near. And word. My turn, word, goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Your turn, word. Spell goes. And word. My turn, word, turn. T-U-R-N. Turn. Your turn, word. Spell turn. And word. My turn, word, want. W-A-N-T. Want. Your turn, word. Spell want. And word. My turn, word, soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. Your turn, word. Spell soon. And word. My turn, word, share. Ooh, let's do this in a whisper voice. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Your turn, word, share. Spell share. And word. My turn, word, one. Let's tap it out. So I'm going to tap on my table. One. O-N-E. One. Your turn, word. Tap out the word one. And word. My turn, word, far. F-A-R. Far. Your turn, word. Spell far. And word. My turn, word, two. And let's stomp this one out. Two. T-W-O. Two. Your turn, word. Spell two. And word. Okay, letter sounds. Remember, we're working on that long O sound. Okay. So sound, that's right. That OA makes that long O sound as in boat. Okay, sound. 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 That's right. That bossy E makes that long, that A say its name. Long A sound. 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 That's right. Ow. Or O. Sound. O. Sound. S. Sound. Sound. Okay, day 3. I will blend the first one with you. Sound T. Sound O. Blend toe. Sound D. Blend T. O. D. Word toad. Good job. Okay, next one. Ooh, that sneaky KN. That means we don't hear that K sound. We only hear that N sound. Okay. Sound. This is going to make that O sound. So put it together. N, O. Word no. Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say needs? Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Should be long A. Agree. Okay, great job. Awesome possum first graders.